Hello mathletes, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of exponents. Let's dive into it. Which of the following is equals to z to the power of 2 over 5 for all values of z? So, to solve this question, I strongly, again, suggest you to look for numerator and the denominator of the given variable. And the numerator, since the numerator is on top, this is gonna stay on top of the z, and the denominator goes into degree of root. So this is going to be z to the power of 2 in root 5. This is the answer. But I want to show you the other choices as well. So this is our correct answer for this question. But so what does this equals to? Z to the power of 5 over 2. And the second one is not even in root. It's just by itself, z to the power of 10. But this one is z to the power of 1 over 5 is a numerator. Since nothing is written in the degree, in that case it's a square root, which means that the degree of the root is 2. So divided by 2. So this is going to lead to z 1 over 5 times 1 over 2. That is equals to z to the power of 1 over 10. So you can either write this way, or we can rewrite this as z to the power of, this is 1 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator. And usually we don't write the power 1. So we can just write the choice D in this way. So the correct answer is A again. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.